Hi guys, if you don't already know me, my name is Radesh, and today we'll be going over OC curves, and more specifically, what are OC curves, the different types of OC curves, the variables that go into it, the properties, and lastly, the calculations. So let's get started. So to start, what is an OC curve? An OC curve is basically an operating characteristic curve that describes how well an acceptance plan discriminates between good and bad lots. Um, and essentially, it's a graph of the percent defective P in a lot versus the probability that the sampling plan will accept the lot. Each OC curve relates to a specific acceptance plan. So a combination of N, which is the sample size, and C, which is the acceptance level. So basically, it's intended to show the probability that the plan will accept lots of various quality levels. And naturally, we would prefer a highly discriminating sampling plan.